morning. I am Manika from DPS Gosain Kheda. Today I am here to teach you the topic fractions. I will teach you some important concept about it, and I am teaching you this topic from the book Smart Maths, chapter number 6, page number 102. So let's begin our topic. The topic is fractions. Fractions means part. Now what is this part? I will explain you by giving the example. I take here square and I did here the divisions of the square. Now how many divisions I did it? 4. So now I colored one part of this. I write here now 1 by 4. Now this is the fraction. Now how we can understand it? The 1 is here numerator and 4 is our denominator. This numerator by denominator is known as fraction. It represents 1 by 4 here, that 1 is colored here and total parts are 4. Now I give you the fraction here 3 by 4 and I tell you that color this part 3. Now how much total parts are there? 4. So I draw here square and total parts are 4. So I divide this square in 4 parts. In numerator there is 3. So I will color here 3 parts of this square. So now the 3 by 4 fraction is represented by this figure. Now what we will do here, the types of fractions. How many types of fractions are there? First, what I am writing here? Types of fractions. First is proper fraction. Second is improper fraction. Third is mixed fraction. Fourth is unit fraction. Fifth is like fraction. Sixth is unlike fraction. Now we will discuss all these fractions one by one. First is proper fraction. What is the proper fraction? In which numerator is less than denominator. In which numerator is less than denominator. I give you the example here 1 by 4. What is numerator here? 1 and denominator is 4. And you very well know that 1 is less than 4. So what are proper fractions? Proper fractions are those fractions in which numerator is less than denominator. Next, improper fractions are those fractions in which numerator is greater than denominator. I write here 7 by 2. What is numerator here? 7. What is denominator here? 2. So 7 is greater than 2. So this is our improper fraction in which numerator is greater than denominator. Next, third, mixed fraction. Now what is mixed fraction? Mixed fractions becomes when we write here 2 7 by 4. This is our improper fraction. Now third is mixed fraction. What is mixed fraction? I give you example here 2 7 by 4. This mixed fractions ये कब बनती है? जब हम इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन और होल पार्ट को कंबाइन करते हैं तो ये हमारी कौन सी फ्रैक्शन बन जाती है? मिक्स फ्रैक्शन. You clearly see here 7 by 4 is our improper fraction, because here 7 is greater than 4, means numerator is greater than 4, and this 2 is our whole part. So mixed fractions become when we combine whole part. Fractions are those fractions in which numerator is always 1, but the condition is numerator is always 1. Those fractions are known as unit fractions. I write here example 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 9 or 1 by 99. So you clearly see here the numerator is in all the fraction is 1 and the denominators are different. So these are known as our unit. Next, fourth is unit fractions. Unit fractions are those fractions in which numerator is always 1. Denominator, it can be any number, but the condition is numerator should be 1. I give you example here 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 9, 1 by 99. You can clearly see here that in all these fractions numerator is 1. So these fractions are known as unit fractions. Next is like fractions. Like fractions, we compare it in 2 fractions, 3 fractions, 4 fractions or many more. I write here some examples. 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 7 by 5. Now what we observe in these fractions? 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 7 by 5. In all these fractions, the denominator is same, means 5. So clearly we can see here the like fractions are those fractions in which the denominators are same, and we compare these between 2, 3, 4 or many more fractions. Next, the last one is unlike fractions. Unlike fractions are also same. We compare these fractions between 2, 3, 4 or many more. So I write here the example 2 by 5, 7 by 4, 3 by 9. So what you see here, the denominator and numerator both are different in all the fractions. Numerator is 2, 7, 3. Denominator is 5, 4, 9. So the unlike fractions are those fractions in which numerator and denominators are different. And one more type of unlike fraction is that the numerator and denominator can be equal. If as 6 by 6 I write here, so this is also the type of unlike fractions in which numerator and denominator both are same. Now today what is your work? You have to do question number 1, 2, 3 of exercise 6B, page number 106. Down below in the comment section you will get a link for quiz from which you can get a beautiful certificate. Thank you and keep watching my video on important concepts on fractions.